Just a quick look, a bit of weathering. I've got it where I want it, colour-wise. I think I said that. So then a bit of weathering, not a, well, I mean it's a bit, but not heavy. And then probably have to go over some of the bare metal with some rust. And then I'll put the tools on first actually, and then bring some rust in, and then just touch up with a bit of pale yellow. Then get the rear wheels on and the tracks, and finally the nice big panels at the side, spacer armour. Yeah, do it. And there's the tools. Got to do fire extinguisher and one or two others, but there they are. So, just about there. Oh, the missus is coming. Right, the tank, I think, is done. It's just the embellishments to go, so to speak. Keep saying that, don't I? So to speak. But you know what I mean. Keep saying that, don't I? But yes, this is the basic sort of vehicle, and we'll put the extra armour on and spare track, a couple of fuel cans. That might be it, I think. I keep saying that too. And it's gone extraordinarily well, apart from that bit won't quite meet up with the plate below. But it's probably going to get some track in front of it. I think I saw that on the instructions, or on that kind of how to do a diorama sheet and bring your model to life, which I always loved. They were brilliant. And what a wonderful vehicle, and a truly superb model. That is proper old style, no messing model making. Not a piece of photo etched tin foil in sight. Marvellous. Yeah, really pleased with that, and I think it's come out sort of how I want it. Oh, a little bit of picking out some colour on the cable, and then obviously, oh, spare wheels, and then a bit of final detail, and we're there. That is model making. Not me. That is model design. And a fine piece of problem solving by the German tank designers. What an absolute monster.